If you enjoy doing DIY projects and working with your hands, starting your own handyman business is a great idea. It lets you turn your hobby into a way to make money, and you can share your skills with people in your community. Many folks need help with home repairs and improvements, and they would appreciate having someone reliable to turn to. By launching your own business, you can meet new people in your area and gain their trust through your quality work, all while making a positive difference in the lives of others. First, let's look at the benefits of being a handyman. There is a high demand for handyman services because many people are busy and lack the time or skills to do repairs themselves. Homeowners often need help with small tasks like fixing leaks, painting, or assembling furniture. As homes age, they need more maintenance, creating opportunities for skilled handymen to assist their neighbors. Low startup costs are a big benefit for starting a handyman business because you don't need a lot of money to begin. You usually only need some basic tools and your skills, not a big investment or fancy office. This makes it easy to start quickly and start earning money right away. It also means there's less financial risk, so you can grow your business slowly as you get more clients and experience. A handyman business has a high earning potential because you can charge good rates for your services. Many people are happy to pay for help with repairs and improvements because they want quality work and don't have the time or skills to do it themselves. As you build a good reputation and get more clients, you can raise your prices. You can also offer different types of services, which means more ways to earn money. With hard work and skill, a handyman business can give you a steady income and even let you make more than a regular job. Working for your community is a big benefit of starting a handyman business because you get to help the people around you with tasks they really need done. You build strong relationships with your neighbors and gain trust by offering reliable services. Plus, by serving your local area, you're more likely to get referrals, as happy customers will recommend you to others in the community. Obviously, starting your own handyman business has a lot of benefits, but it's also important to think about the challenges of being a handyman. First of all, inconsistent income. It's a challenge for handymen because the amount of work can vary from week to week. Sometimes there may be a lot of jobs, and other times there might be very few. This makes it hard to predict how much money you'll make each month. When work slows down, it can be tough to cover bills and expenses. Handymen need to plan carefully and save money during busy times to manage these ups and downs in income. Starting out as a handyman can be difficult because new handymen might not have all the skills or experience needed for the job right away. It takes time to learn how to fix different things, use tools properly, and understand what customers want. Fresh handymen might make mistakes or take longer to complete tasks, which can be frustrating. However, as they gain more experience and practice, they will improve, but the beginning can be tough. Some handyman jobs can be challenging because not every task is simple. Certain repairs or projects may require advanced skills, special tools, or a good understanding of building codes and safety rules. If a handyman takes on a job that is too complicated, it can lead to mistakes that cost time and money to fix. Dealing with difficult tasks can also be stressful, especially for those who are still learning. This can impact a handyman's confidence and reputation if they struggle to complete the job successfully. Even with these challenges, starting your own handyman business is still a good idea. Now let's talk about the basic tools and things you'll need to get started. The good news is you probably already have most of them at home. Make sure you have the right tools to start a handyman business. You'll need some basic tools like a hammer and a screwdriver, as well as safety gear like gloves. Having some electrical tools can also be very helpful for various jobs. In addition to tools, you'll need some supplies for your handyman business. This can include things like nails, screws, tape, and paint. Having these supplies on hand will help you complete jobs more easily and quickly. It's a good idea to keep a small stock of common items so you're always ready for different tasks. When it comes to transportation, having a truck is ideal because it offers plenty of space for tools and supplies. However, a personal car can also work just fine for getting around and transporting what you need. As long as you can fit your tools and materials, you'll be able to get the job done. While a workshop isn't necessary, it can be a good idea to have if you want to start your handyman work. It does not have to be expensive. You could even begin in your garage. Having a workshop gives you a dedicated space to organize your tools and supplies, work on projects, and keep everything tidy. It can make it easier to focus on your tasks and complete jobs more efficiently. In some US states, you need a specific license to run a handyman business legally. It's important to contact the relevant local government offices or agencies to get information about licenses and regulations in your area and to ensure your business is registered correctly. For a general guide on how to register your business in each state, check out the link in the description. Now that you have your own business, you'll need a website to go with it. IKOL is the perfect solution for handyman businesses. From online payments and bookings to client management and invoicing systems, IKOL provides everything you need to run a successful business online. Simply go to ikol.com and click Get Started. Select Service. Search for Handyman. Choose the services you want and click Continue. Fill out the rest of the information, and your website will be ready to handle your clients in a couple of minutes. Here's how your website will look. Now your customers can easily book your services online. You'll see all the booking information in your calendar, so you can focus solely on providing excellent service. Your clients can also request a quick quotation for selected services, allowing you to follow up and ask for more details. This information will appear in your Leads tab. Most importantly, your AI-driven chat will save you hours by handling difficult clients and converting hesitant website visitors into well-informed customers. Check out our tutorial playlist to learn how to use your IKOL website to its full potential. When it comes to advertising your handyman business, here are some simple strategies. You can promote your handyman business locally by asking friends and family to help spread the word. Handing out flyers, posting on community boards, and advertising in local classifieds can also be effective. Additionally, consider attending community events to meet new people and network within your area. Word of mouth is a strong way to promote your handyman business. When you do a great job, happy customers will tell their friends and family about you. You can use this by providing excellent service and asking satisfied clients to share their experiences or leave positive reviews. A good reputation builds trust, making it easier to attract new clients. Treat every job as a chance to impress, and you'll gain more referrals to help your business grow. Having a social media presence is important for promoting your handyman business. Platforms like Facebook and Instagram let you share photos of your work, post tips, and connect with potential customers. You can also create a YouTube channel to show off your skills through how-to videos or project showcases. This helps you reach more people and build a following, making it easier for others to find and trust your services. Using digital ads on popular search engines can help promote your handyman business effectively. By targeting local areas, you can reach people in your community who are looking for services like yours. These ads can appear when someone searches for handyman services nearby, making it easier for potential customers to find you. Email and SMS marketing are important for keeping in touch with your clients. When you have their contact information, you can share updates about your services, special offers, and maintenance reminders. This helps keep your business in their minds and encourages them to reach out when they need help. Regular communication builds strong relationships and can lead to more referrals and repeat business. In conclusion, if you enjoy fixing things and helping others, starting your own handyman business could be a great choice. It will help you grow as a business owner and as a leader in your local community. So don't wait. Start your business as soon as you can and start your entrepreneurial journey. IKOL, AI for Business.